Clone a seven-figure business, Unfair Software. Did you know that you could make multiple streams of income by giving something away for free? And even better, there is an Unfair Software that lets you start making money from day one, all on autopilot. More specifically, our free marketing course teaches how I give away something at no cost. It's a game changer. Stay to the end and I'll give you a link where you can get a 12K bonus in the description. When you give something away at no cost, you are able to start building the most powerful thing on the planet, leverage and goodwill. This is how Jonathan Montoya, my mentor, was able to quit my 9-to-5 job and how I have helped over 55,000 students start their journey to financial and time freedom. When you give away something for free, think of Costco, people will know and trust you more. When that happens, people will trust you and start buying the things you have to offer. Well, I let you give away a free white label course that I let you give away as your own in. Within that course, it promotes multiple programs such as Legendary Marketer, System IO, Secrets of Success, and many more. Here's one secret on starting an affiliate marketing business. You need to build an email list of prospects and buyers. When you are building an email list, you are building a valuable list. That's why you build an opt-in page where you capture the person's email before sending them to the affiliate products. Not only that, but Jonathan will also show you how I get 12,000 leads a month of targeted traffic. The best part is you can leverage a new Unfair Software within the challenge that lets you copy this seven-figure business in seconds. Go to www.success39.com. Hit the subscription button for more marketing tips.